Hey, this is Ross doing a review for a USB mini keyboard and some mouse combo also. It's by EASYTONE. And so I want to go ahead and show you what it comes with here. It comes with the box, the instruction manual, and the mini keyboard right there. This thing's pretty cool. As you can see here, it's got a bunch of different keys, but you could use it on anything you could plug a USB the dongle into, which I'm going to show you on the computer since it's you could do the most functions on here. But I had it in my PS4 earlier. You could use it in you know, your Android boxes or you know, pretty much anything. And anyway, so there's the keyboard there, as I showed you earlier. You take off the back. It works on 2 AAA batteries. And here's your dongle right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back on. And I am going to plug it into my computer, show you how it works. There's a little switch on the top here, the on-off switch. Turn on, the light comes on. There's also this port right there, the USB, mini USB or whatever. But that's for if you had rechargeable batteries in there. I don't use rechargeable batteries, I just got regular ones. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you. I have it plugged in now, and I can control, where's my little mouse? There, see, I can control the mouse. So I'm going to go ahead and click, and then you know, type something in. Just watch Game of Thrones, so I'll do a search for that. You just use it as a keyboard or a mouse. It's pretty cool. I like the thing. It's got a bunch of different features on here. You know, it's got the little directional thing here, which is good on the PS4 especially. You got music controls. You know, check go to your emails right away. Your different clicks on your mouse there. And it's supposed to have some programmable buttons, but I haven't really gotten to that too much yet. Just kind of oh, there's the mouse pad right there, and it kind of shows you 1 click is for the left. Swipe 2 fingers up or down. You can page up, page down, and click with 2 fingers, and that's your right click. This thing's pretty cool, man. I especially like it on the Android TV, which, you know, instead of using your remote to enter a search in, you could just use the keyboard. It's also nice for the PS4, you know, if you're sending messages to friends back and forth on there. But anyway, this thing is pretty cool. It does what it says it should do, and I'm going to give it a 5-star rating just because it may replace the remote on my Android TV, the Android box. Or, of course, you could use it on your smart TV, too. Anything you could plug a USB, the dongle into, you can use it on that device. Again, thanks, EASYTONE. That's a 5-star rating from me. Does everything it says it should do. And I received this item for my honest and unbiased review, and that's what that is. Thank you.